Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, open your eyes, and suddenly you're aware. Consciousness turns on. The world exists again. But what if I told you no one on this planet truly knows why this happens? Since the dawn of humanity, people have believed that every human and every animal carries an immaterial soul within. It was this soul, they thought, that made us alive, feeling, thinking beings. Without it, a person becomes nothing but a cold shell, and the world, just a collection of lifeless forms. But then came science, and it overturned everything humanity had believed for millennia. We discovered that we are made of the very same particles as the stones beneath our feet, the air around us, and the stars above. If that's true, why can we feel, dream, and love? Why are we self-aware while they are not? How can dead atoms come together to form something capable of looking at the world and asking that very question? This is one of the greatest mysteries in the history of humankind. Some scientists even believe it can never be solved. You can study every neuron in the brain, every molecule, and yet no one has ever explained how all that creates a single sense of I. Because every sensation is accompanied by an inner experience. We see colors, taste sweetness, feel pain and joy. All of these are qualia, subjective experiences that no instrument can measure. On the neural level, it all seems simple. Electrical impulses travel between cells. But how does that current become the feeling of being alive? How do electrons turn into thoughts? The problem is that consciousness doesn't obey the laws of science. To explain a phenomenon, you must be able to predict it and verify it. But consciousness can't be tested in an experiment. It exists only from within, only for the one who experiences it. Two people can look at the same shade of red, yet perceive it completely differently, and no one will ever know who truly sees the real red. Consciousness escapes every known law of physics, and yet it's the only thing we can be absolutely sure of. It wakes with us in the morning and fades away when we fall asleep. Without it, there is no world and no life. Maybe we'll never truly understand what consciousness is, but it's exactly such mysteries that have always led science to its greatest discoveries, forcing us to see the universe from an entirely new perspective. As David Chalmers, one of the leading researchers of consciousness, once said, "Consciousness is the greatest mystery. It may well be the final obstacle on our quest to understand the universe." And while some search for answers, others uncover the astonishing potential of the brain. We can train our focus to physically reshape the mind, expand memory tenfold, and read 4 times faster without losing comprehension. And this is only the beginning. Perhaps the path to understanding consciousness begins with discovering what our own brain is truly capable of. If you're fascinated by mysteries of the mind, the power of the brain, and the nature of human awareness, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new stories. There are many more wonders ahead. And who knows, maybe one day, together, we'll find the answer to the ultimate question. What makes us alive?